Hi guys, this is just another look at my controller box for my tint tube lights and pixel meteors that's going to go on my front tree for Christmas. So there's the board I did the other day. There's another one. So now it's got 24 outputs on it, complete with tails. So I've still got to get the DC-DC converters to go up in that piece of DIN rail there. The DIN rail actually screws in quite nicely into the CG 1500 boxes. I just used 8 gauge screws and some large flat washers to make sure that they sort of stayed straight there. They didn't pull it at a weird angle. So I've got power coming in to this board here. I haven't worried about hooking this one up yet, but I've got power coming into here. It's just 5 volts from the bench power supply, and this is one of my my own design, a receiver board, a differential receiver board. So that can receive 1 or 2 WS2811 style data streams from the controller via this Cat5 cable, or it can receive a WS2801, I guess, if you wanted to use that, something that needs clock and data. So that's what it looks like there. So it's got 2 data type pins, the ground and a 5 volt, and it can either be powered from 5 volts or 12 volts, and you can set the board to be either a transmitter or a receiver. This one's set to be a receiver, and there's that little jumper there, allows you to send the power that you're using to run it up the Cat5 cable. So what I've got over here is, there's another board. It's an identical board, except I've jumpered this one. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Focus on there, there he goes. That one's set for a transmitter, and I've actually got a pixel tester just wired into that. So pixel tester, now I've just got that's just a bit of heat shrink bent over the leads there to stop them from shorting out. I'm actually powering the pixel tester from the output side, which is fine because it's just the wiring goes straight through anyway. So the pixel tester is actually being powered up the line from this transmitter board. So this is taking the single-ended data from the pixel tester, converting it into RS485 style differential data, sending it down the Cat5 cable, being received over on this identical board, and then which is set to be a receiver, and then that's going back down to the pixel data single-ended signal again and into the pixel distributor. So overall that should work out nicely. I should be able to send the pixel data from my controller. It'll get converted in my controller box, which is way back at the house, and I can just go over this Cat5 cable up into the tree and get converted back. So it should all arrive there nice and clean, no null pixels or anything else required.